Are you tired of the endless spreadsheet grind trying to track your crypto transactions? Well, I've got something that'll make your life a whole lot easier. Click the link in the description below to get an exclusive discount on Koinly. Koinly is your ultimate tool for simplifying crypto taxes and portfolio tracking. Whether you're a casual trader or a hardcore investor, Koinly has got you covered. Now let's talk about why Koinly is a game changer. First off, Koinly supports over 6,000 cryptocurrencies and integrates seamlessly with all major exchanges and wallets. No more manual entries. Imagine this. You've got transactions from Binance, Coinbase, and your Ledger wallet. With Koinly, you can automatically import all your data, get real-time analytics, and generate tax reports in a matter of minutes. Sounds like a dream, right? But wait, there's more. Koinly also helps you minimize your taxes by identifying opportunities for tax loss harvesting. This means more of your hard-earned crypto stays in your pocket. And here's the best part. By clicking the link in the description, you get an exclusive discount on your Koinly subscription. That's right, don't miss out on this limited time offer. Let me share a quick success story. One of my friends, let's call her Jane, was drowning in crypto transactions and tax reports. She decided to give Koinly a try, and guess what? Jane not only saved hours of work, but also identified significant tax savings. She's now a loyal Koinly user and couldn't be happier. So what are you waiting for? Simplify your crypto life and save money on your taxes with Koinly. Remember, the clock is ticking on this exclusive discount. Click the link in the description below and join the Koinly family today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and tricks. Until next time, happy trading and stay savvy.